Hey everybody, welcome to Marcie's Makeup Corner tonight at 9 o'clock. So, who barbecued today? Like seriously, the weather was so fantastic. We finally got a nice day and we totally lit up the barbecue. It was fan-freaking-tastic. It was awesome. So tonight, I'm gonna show you a really fun collection. If I can get I feel like my lighting is off. But I'm gonna show you a really fun collection tonight called Worth Waiting For. Hey Crystal. So basically I've done kind of I've done a little bit of my makeup already in preparation. And then I got distracted and started doing like random color swatches on my arm. So easily distracted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish off the eye makeup just a little bit. And then we're going to jump into the Worth Waiting For collection, okay? So for this eye look, I actually used Palette 5. I don't use it a ton, but I do love it. If you guys can hear my baby squawk and James did run up, I am not ignoring her. I swear to God, I am not ignoring the baby. All right, so I'm gonna start by finishing the eyes. Hey, Miss Mandy. And then I kind of sort of did my lips, but I'm not sure if I'm happy with them. Anyways, we're gonna finish my eyes. We're gonna jump into the Worth Waiting For collection, and we're gonna go from there. So I do smoky eyes a little bit different. Mandy does them, and she does this gorgeous like tape look where it's like a straight line thing, and that to me is just it just doesn't work for me. It just doesn't. It's not my thing. I look better almost with the smudge. I just rolled out of bed and forgot to take off my makeup, kind of like gangster. I don't know, but it works for me. So that's what I like to do. Maybe that's just me. Maybe it's because I'm like always busy. I have to do a little bit of the smudge look. I can't really do the crazy defined look. So all I'm doing is I'm taking the same purple I used on the outside and I'm going part way in. And then I'm gonna jump into the yellow that I used in here. And I'm just gonna kind of do this piece here just to open up the eye. And then I've already done some black liner on top. I'm just gonna throw some black liner on the bottom and then the eyes are done. So I asked earlier, who barbecued tonight? And what did you barbecue? Because we barbecued pork chops and steaks because James and I are steak people and the kids are more pork chop people. So that's what we did. But firing up the barbecue was amazing. And we started emptying out the pool. Let's get the pool ready. I'm like, I want in the pool. There's still a small pile of snow in our driveway, and I'm like, I don't even care. I want in the pool. Okay, so like I said, did a little bit of my look, a little bit of it. Now we're gonna jump into the Worth Waiting For collection, and I'm gonna show you what's in that collection before we jump into what I'm gonna do with it. So, lash serum. This stuff is phenomenal, makes your lashes grow naturally. Love it. Epic mascara. This is probably like the hottest mascara on the market right now. Sculpting Trio. Touch Foundation. I'm gonna run out of hands. Concealer. And the setting powder. You barbecued hot dogs, hamburgers, sausages, steaks, and potatoes. That a girl. Awesome. So this is what the look is, and basically it is to kind of like finish your look. So let's say you've got your eyes done, you've got your brows done. Technically you're supposed to do your foundation and stuff after you do that so that you can clean up any fallout underneath. I'm really bad for doing it backwards, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna start actually with the lash serum, and so it's just a little spoolie and it's got nutrients and stuff on it, very natural, that help your lashes grow. And I'm gonna throw this on first so that it dries before I throw my mascara on at the end. This stuff is amazing because, so I'm gonna tell you a story. When I was pregnant with Fayla, my eyelashes, I had extensions done. And there was nothing wrong with the person that did it. She was great, she was awesome. She's my sister, she does great lash extensions. But I had like hormonal flare-ups. And it reacted to the glue that was used to glue my eyelashes on, and all of my regular eyelashes actually fell out with the lashes. And I know that it wasn't the process because I'd had my lashes done a ton of times before that with no issues. But I think just my hormones and everything, you know how stuff gets all off? that was going on. So anyways, this stuff has helped me grow back my lashes because like they were all gone. Love it. So that's where we're gonna start. Then we're gonna jump to our foundation. Actually, I'm gonna use my concealer before I use my foundation because the concealer I'm using is organza and the foundation I'm using is organza. So when you use both and they're about the same color, typically you use it to, I need to shake it. You use it to cover up like blemishes. So like I have a couple little, I have some spots where I'm extra red. And I'm just gonna kind of use it there. See, it's all that fun breakout stuff, right? So it's just to give it a little bit of extra. Now you can also use it like with your beauty blending buds, whatever on earth they're called, and do it like nicely underneath your eyes and give yourself some really great highlight. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I just got this foundation and I'm almost running out already. One, because I have a 14-year-old who thinks that she needs to wear a ton, like 3 times a day. And 2, because the second she opened it, we were at a dance competition and she like flicked it and I swear half the bottle spilled all over our program for the day. It was very sad. I was sad. See, so this just cleans up any fallout you have underneath your eyes as well. And you can also use like a smaller brush and clean up here as well if you wanted to with a little bit of foundation. You do want your lids and brows to be separate. They are separate entities. Keep them separate. Do not connect them. They are not the same thing. Rest in peace. Oh, I actually dried it out, Paige, and continued to use the dance program. Those things are expensive. They're like 10 bucks. And I'm cheap. Okay, so we're just blending this in. Look at already, this look looks so much better. This is why it's called worth waiting for, because for a couple of extra minutes, you can really, really finish the look. Okay, now I'm gonna jump into something. Now I haven't used this in a little bit. I have not showed you guys. This is my sculpting trio. It is a mess because I like to sculpt, contour. Let's just say I am not a tiny girl. I am not. And giving my face a little bit of shape to kind of like suck it in makes my face look a little bit thinner. So the thing that I love about this is it actually shows you, this is where you put all of these colors. So you've got like a contour, a highlight, and a luminizer. The contour and the luminizer are a cream, the highlight is a powder. So when you're using the cream, you're gonna use kind of this end. When you use the powder, you're gonna use the fluffier end here. So all I'm gonna do is I'm going to follow the directions on this, and I'm using the light one. I could probably in the summertime bump it up to a medium, make it a little bit more dramatic. But basically what you're doing is you're going from the top of your ear to fish face where it indents right here. And you're just adding in that contour to give your cheek some shape. And blend, 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 blend. Like seriously, that's why I think they call this worth waiting for, because contouring takes time. You've got to blend it in. You don't want to look like you've got weird lines all over your face. Anyway, so what else did everybody else do to enjoy the beautiful, beautiful day that today was? Because it was fantastic. So pretty. So, so pretty. I'm so excited for summer. I like cleaned off my patio set and got that out. I'm like, yep, I'm done. Oh, and I sorted out all the kids' snow pants and coats and washed them and put them away and got rid of the boots. And you know what? Because I did that, it's probably going to snow by the end of the week. I swear it does that to me every time. I probably just jinxed myself. I know, you guys are thinking, why is she contouring under her lip? If anybody has not watched me before, it's so that it gives your lower lip more of a pouty look. It makes it look like there's more of a shadow here, so your bottom lip is bigger. It actually gives the illusion of big lips, because I don't have big lips. Ooh, and if you really want the illusion of big lips, we have Lip Plumper on sale for this month. Very cool. It brings like blood vessels to your lips and kind of really plumpens them up. And it's like a peppermint tingling feeling. So cool. You went to Walmart tonight and got a new bathing suit. Yay! Ooh, Paige, you're gonna be super excited. I don't know if your mom told you, but I called our hotel and we weren't staying where you guys are, but I switched it up, so we will be staying there with you guys. Hey, Tanya. I am good, thank you, hun. How are you? So now that I've added all the darker colors with the contouring, now what I'm doing is my tongue is gone. What's called highlighting. And again, all I'm doing is following the, pictures. See, look. The kit comes with the pictures. Best thing ever. Just do what the picture says and then blend it. That's it. Look how much more finished I'm looking already, like crazy. You excited, Paige? Yay! And I think we're doing dinner on Saturday night. I think that's what your mom decided. And plus that's when works. So I think we'll do dinner Saturday night. Super excited. All right. So, highlighting, almost done. Highlighting done. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump into luminizing, and that's it. That is our last step. But what I'm gonna do for that is I'm going to find, hey Louise, how are you? I missed you today at the meeting. So because I'm luminizing, and because with luminizing, see how much smaller the spaces are? They're smaller spaces than this. I'm gonna use my cream shadow brush because it is a cream that I'm putting on, but I'm putting it on in a little bit finer of areas. So I'm just, again, using the cream. Super not excited for the extreme quick changes. No. Don't worry about the quick changes. Do not worry about quick changes. Your mother and I have already chatted. There is a group. We are basically just gonna like 4 people on you, rip stuff off, put stuff on, you just stand there, it's all good. That's how this is gonna work. Dancers don't need to worry, because us moms got this figured out. We do. Trust me. You just gotta stand there. All right, so now what we're doing is luminizing. So that's giving this really nice shimmer, gives the shimmer again. So this is something you can put from your eyeshadow to your brows, because what it's doing is it's highlighting the brow bone. You're not connecting the two, you're highlighting the brow bone. And then what you want to do is you want to give a slight shimmer on your cheeks. That baby does not want to settle, does she? She's getting mad. No problem, Miss Paige. Okay, like I said, we're just gonna take, the cream brush is not the best brush for like blending out in the world, but it works well for creams. So, highlighted everywhere except for now our Cupid's bow. Look at that. This is like my favorite highlight spot. So what this does is this accentuates and makes your top lip look bigger. So now you've made your top and bottom lip look bigger. Awesome. And this is my Worth Waiting For collection. Oh, one more thing. No, 2 more things. Oh my goodness, guys. So the next thing we're gonna add is our Behold Translucent Setting Powder. And I'm actually going to, so it comes with a net, I'm actually gonna pull it off because I'm almost out. I'm down to the nitty gritty of this product. Even less because I just spilled some. Oops. See, I only have a little bit left. Thank you, Miss Paige. I'm just gonna take my brush, and all I do is get it all over my shirt because I didn't tap it off properly. And then I put it all over everything I have on. And what this does is this sets my face for the day. And my shirt. It's gonna make sure my shirt color stays where it is. Okay. So it works better when you use the netting and you just take the brush and you push it into the netting. But like I said, I am running so low that I just decided that I was gonna take it off. Cam, you can absolutely be my guest some night. Makeover! Yay! Anytime. You name the night, you be here at 9 o'clock and we will make over. That'll be so much fun. And we might possibly wine too, because that's always fun. All right, so we have luminized. We've got all of our base on. We've done our translucent setting powder because, like I said, this stuff keeps this on all day. Even though right after I get off of here, I'm gonna wash this off and get ready for bed. Last but not least, Epic Mascara. You decided to go red for your grad. Yay! What color shoes are you gonna wear? And you have not sent me any pictures at all yet of how you want me to do your makeup for your grad, which I'm really surprised I have not gotten 200 of them sent to my phone. Paige, my dear. Look at how big my eyelashes look. White wine? Sure, whatever. I do not discriminate. Red, white, pink, blue, whatever, whatever. Thank you, Louise. Louise, I have been like stalking your weight loss posts and I love them. Love them. So happy for you because after this I'm gonna get off of this and I'm gonna have myself a nice big bowl of ice cream, I think. Maybe. I might actually have a tiny bit of willpower and do like Greek yogurt with fruit, which is what I should do. What do we think, guys? I'm loving it. Like I said, I did the Worth Waiting For bundle, which was the trio and this stuff here, the serum, the Epic setting powder, foundation, and concealer. That was the Worth Waiting For that I did. I also did my brows super, super quick before I came on here with the brow palette. And I used palette number 5 for the eyes. This is called the Unicorn palette because you can do some super, super fun, colorful looks with this. Like, check out this silver. Is that not the funnest color ever? It's like putting metallic right on your face. All right, guys. I'm going to scroll back, see if I have any questions. You haven't decided on what shoes, but you have a few ideas you got from Snapchat for makeup. Okay, if you're getting stuff off Snapchat for makeup, if you can make sure they don't have 8,000 filters on there, because I'll love you to pieces, but I cannot make you look like somebody completely different. All right. Perfect. Okay, guys, I think that is it. I will see you all tomorrow night at 9 o'clock. If anybody, chrome, thank you, Mandy. Thank you, that's the word, chrome. That silver looked like chrome all over your face. If anybody has anything specific they would like to see tomorrow night, just shoot a comment below, let me know. I haven't gotten my kudos in yet this month, or my all my duet stuff, so I will show that off as soon as I get it. But anyways, everybody have a fantastic night, and I will see you all tomorrow night at 9 o'clock. Bye, guys.